Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome Wagwan. Make sure to stay subscribed down below. So I'm about to install this unit from Nadula here, and this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the package. I already posted this here on Instagram and the girlies was eating it up, okay, because the color and the texture and everything is just giving. It is a 13x4 lace frontal in 24 inches, and it's super curly, and I'm loving the jerry curl type of look to it. As you guys can see, the knots already bleached for you, and it is also pre-plucked, but I wanted the front to look a little bit more natural, especially since I want to do like a free parting. I don't know if I want to do a middle part or a side part just yet, so I want to make sure that the front is really laid and slayed. So I'm just gonna do a light plucking, nothing serious. And also, this is my technique of plucking, taking my time, because I don't want to get a bald spot in the front of the wig, because that is never okay. We're in 2023, and you know, we're trying to keep it together. So I'm just gonna go in with the hot comb to brush that back, make sure that it's laying for the gods, honey. And then I'm gonna try out the center part, but I'm gonna change it later on once I have installed the unit. But I want to show you how to make your wigs look flat, especially a curl unit, just to make the parting look a little bit more neat. All you need to go is go in with some wax stick and a hot comb, and girl, the wig will look super professional. Just get you one of these. It's about $20 at your beauty supply store, the hot comb that is, and it is truly a lifesaver. So all the details for this unit will be in the description box down below. I would advise you with curly hair to pre-wash the hair before installing. So if there is any type of loose hair, any type of shedding, even though I didn't experience any shedding with this unit, except for when I plucked it, obviously you're gonna have loose hair, so that's even more reason to wash the hair before installing, to get any type of loose hair you might have by plucking the unit. And then for styling, love me a curly wig that is easy to style. All I need is some water and some mousse. Now for this part, we're gonna go in with some foundation powder just to make sure that it's blending effortlessly with my complexion and also my makeup, because yeah baby, like I don't do ball cap method, hella lazy girl method for me, loving that since forever, and I'm gonna stick beside her even in the new year. So this is just gonna show you, or rather I'm just gonna show you my method of installing this unit. Pretty much it's the same with how I install all my units. I always spray under the lace, not on top of it. So I'm just going to leave you guys to see the technique, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Now once everything is melted down, I'm just going to cut off the excess lace, and also to touch up little areas that might be loose or not dried properly. But that's essentially how I do it. Just something really simple. I like to do the simple method because I don't wear my wigs to bed, and I don't wear wigs that often, even though I know it seems like I wear wigs like all the time. Like I ain't trying to wear it 24/7. So I like to take my wigs off, so I prefer a lighter method of installation that will still give me that super glued down, super intact type of look. So as I said, I wanted to see this wig doing free part, side part, middle part, ponytail, anything that I could do with this unit, and it's just giving life. It will be a little bit challenging for the parting because it is a 13x4, and that means that it's 4 inches going back, so it's a little bit less lace space as opposed to like a 13x6, but it's still gonna give you that deep swoop if you need it to. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do that. All you need to do is just look where you're parting, and then make sure that you're using enough hair to cover the weft of the hair. And then I'm going to go back in with the hot comb to just make sure that it is giving that laid back type of a look. And then I did that extra melt with the lace, with the elastic band rather, and you can get the elastic band on the website. And I'm gonna go in with this little hot comb, not hot comb rather, I keep saying the wrong thing. I'm gonna go in with this flat iron, and this is how I do my little swoop action. Even in 2023, still doing the swoop. Okay, I love the little swoop, especially with curly hair like this. It just gives it that extra oomph, that extra look. And all I did was spray a little bit of the lace spray onto my edge brush and then just swoop them in. Then I'm going to touch it up with some more water just to make sure that the curls are a little bit more defined and uniformed. And that is basically it for the styling. Now for our final step, you know, you want to get that blended, especially in pictures. You don't want it to look highlighted in your pictures, like the lace part. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that powder to cover and disguise the lace. And this is the end look. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. I am so freaking in love with this hair. It is giving life, it is giving body, it is giving that girl. Okay, it's everything. All the details will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.